Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys, and if your rear window wiper does not work, guys, we'll explain which fuse you need to check for your rear window wiper. Quick introduction, guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're making at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission, guys, here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's what we do, all those videos, guys, we do that because we want to save you money. So all we need in return, subscribe to the channel and like the video, guys. It will mean a lot to us. If you guys need to buy any replacement tools, parts, fuses, relays, and want to save money and get them with super fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below, guys. You can see where we get all our parts and tools from. So this is a 2009 Ford Edge that we'll be working on. Now the rear window wiper, guys, okay, if it's not working, it could be a bad fuse, it could be a bad motor itself. We'll have videos how to replace it, how to remove it, and all that stuff as well. But in today's video, guys, we'll explain, okay, what can cause, okay, that wiper not to work is number one, fuse. Sometimes they do go bad, especially if you haven't used the wiper for a while. The motor may freeze for a little bit, and it may burn the fuse as well, guys. So now, right here, if you open the door, okay, by the pedals, you're going to have a fuse box. Usually you will not be able to see that fuse box simply due to the fact, guys, that you will have a cover, okay, like that. Okay, this cover will be right there, and this cover you need to slide it this way, pull it out, okay, and underneath you will have a second cover. Check it out, this one. You will need to squish on both sides, squish, pull it out. Now on this side, guys, you can see the fuse numbers. On the other side you have a fuse puller. Okay, right there, fuse puller. Now the good part is that you can see, okay, the fuse numbers here. That's awesome, but you don't know what they're for, guys. The fuse for the rear wiper is fuse number 19, 19. This one right there. Okay, fuse number 19. This is, guys, the second row from left to right, and this is the third fuse from top to bottom. So looking at it, guys, actually it will be the fuse right above this relay here. Okay, that fuse right there, right above the relay, guys. Okay, right there. So this fuse, guys, is the one for the rear wiper. Just wanted to show you that, guys, in case you need to remove and replace it. It's a little bit hard to see because it's right above that relay, but what I usually do, okay, I go ahead and remove, okay, the relay, but you can still see it, guys. It's right there, and it's a 20 amp fuse, 20 amp fuse right above the relay. If you need to buy replacement fuses, guys, you can see where we get them from in the description of the video below. That's for your convenience, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos, and see you guys next time.